All right, so her husband of 5 years gave her a Christmas gift she will never forget. Let's get into the video.
In it. No, it's in it. I ran out of boxes, I promise. It's in there. That's the last. It's inside of there, I promise.
Oh, okay.
It's in there, like, it's in there. I was trying to be thoughtful. I don't know. I thought that would be thoughtful.
What?
All inclusive, baby. All inclusive, baby. We going to Dubai on week. We going to Dubai. Merry Christmas. We going to Dubai.
God.
Look in it. Look in there. The tickets is in there, baby. The tickets is in there. The tickets is in there. We finna be shaking out by like New Year's. The tickets is in there. Look in there. Yeah. Yeah.
What is this?
DNA test report. Yeah. 0% paternity probability. Yeah. Yeah. Our son? Nah, yeah, that's not me. This right here say my son ain't my son. And you ain't even got nothing to explain because this explained it already. Yeah, matter of fact,
is a joke.
no, it's not. Go to the next page. I'm going to show you how much I'm joking. I'm going to show you divorce settlement agreement. Divorce settlement. I already pre-made it up. Divorce agreement. It's up.
What is
you know what
this?
that means? That means we over with. We over with. Get out my house. Get out my...
Whoa, bro. Okay, I was not expecting that. No. On Christmas. Let me start off by saying this brother is not wrong in any way, shape, form, or fashion. I ain't even got an issue with him recording. I really don't. This is tough, man. The fact that you got 304s out here posing as wives and think that stuff like this is cool. You sleeping with two dudes around the same time you got pregnant. That's some you nasty. I don't have an issue with how he handled this. Right? You know what? DNA test to find out that the child that you've been helping raise is not even your child is crazy. And to throw that divorce on top, I think that's a bittersweet moment. Get her the heck up out of here quickly. Let me help. Matter of fact, your stuff already packed. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I would have been like, go ahead and pack. Get your stuff ready. Pack everything. Them drawers, dirty clothes. Put everything in there. We're going to wash your clothes. And I got you. I'm going to throw you a couple of dollars or whatever. Listen, I got you. Make sure everything is clean, but you got to go. You got to get up out of here. And see, the worst part of all this is that child. That child is he's going to go through a lot of different emotions. 1 minute, one moment, I had a father figure in my life, and the next minute I don't. A man that loved me, that made sure I was good, that made sure my mom was good. And it looked like they were in a decent home. They were in a house, a home, or whatever. Dang, boy. All his entire life is about to be tossed upside down because this young lady couldn't keep her damn legs closed. Crazy, bro. Crazy. You got 304s out here living. You should have known from the doggone chest tattoo that this chick was for the streets. Don't trust them. If they got a doggone chest tattoo, man, you got to be off your doggone rocker to put a ring on them type of mofos, boy. For real, that's a different type of mindset to have all that stuff going on. But man, shout out to this brother. I think that he did exactly what he should have done. Which, if he wasn't sure, go ahead and get that DNA test done. And once it came back that you're not the father, hey, I'm going to move accordingly. To do it on Christmas is that's crazy. I don't fault him for it, though. I do not think that he's wrong. When you got a 304 like this, you got to treat them as such. All right? Go ahead and get the hell on through. Be easy. But you guys, y'all let me know what do y'all think down in the comments below. Do y'all think that he took it a little overboard? You know what I'm saying? Did he have to do it on Christmas? What are y'all thoughts about this, man? Y'all let me know. Drop it down in the comments and let's talk about it, all right? Crazy, boy. Crazy.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.